God gave us a beautiful earth, a heritage full of every kind of beauty. But we, driven by our own selfishness and negligence, have filled it with various pollutants. Every breath we take is filled with toxins, as our rivers and oceans choke with waste, and chemical-laden soils poison our food. The first type of pollution we created is air pollution. The rise of industrialization and the increasing number of vehicles have made the air in our cities toxic. Every breath we take is filled with poison. Pollutants like PM 2.5 and PM 10 in the air are extremely harmful to our health. They cause diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and lung cancer. After air, we also polluted our water. Sacred rivers like the Ganges and Yamuna are now filled with filth. Plastic and industrial waste have eradicated life in them. Water pollution not only harms aquatic life but also contaminates our drinking water. This directly impacts our health. Soil pollution is another serious issue. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides is turning our agricultural land barren. These chemicals make our soil toxic. The impact is not limited to crops, it also affects the food we consume. As the toxic soil's impact increases, our crops and the food we get from them also become poisonous. Another type of pollution we have created is noise pollution. The noise from vehicles, construction sites, and loudspeakers in cities makes our lives unbearable. Noise pollution disrupts our mental peace. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and hearing loss. But there is still time. If we make collective efforts, we can make our beautiful earth clean and beautiful again. Let us pledge to fight against pollution and give our future generations a clean, safe planet. Because this earth is our inheritance, and keeping it clean is our responsibility. Thanks for watching.